The Australian share market could post its first 5-day winning streak in 3 months today, after Wall Street was closed for a public holiday, but European markets and metal prices pushed higher overnight. Australian investors will also be focusing on a potential announcement of federal government today, following 2 weeks of uncertainty since the elections. And the Reserve Bank of Australia is set to announce its decision on interest rates this afternoon. Whilst most economists expect there will be no change to official cash rates, any commentary surrounding whether or not the bank is feeling the pressure following recent GDP and inflation figures will be the key. An hour into trade, the ASX 200 index is 2 points, or less than 0.1% weaker for the day, with banking stocks enjoying modest gains, while the resource sector is slightly weaker despite the lift in metal prices. In company news, shares in junior fishery operator Clean Seas Tuna are down more than 13% to 10 cents after the company admitted that a human error over the weekend has resulted in the death of up to 80 tonnes worth of kingfish. Clean Seas says that may cost up to $700,000 in future cash flows, but has reassured investors that the company has adequate cash to pursue its initiatives for the rest of the financial year. And elsewhere on the market, shares in Australia's large insurance companies are rebounding today, after talk that yesterday's estimates of the potential costs of the earthquake in Christchurch over the weekend were too high. Shares in Australia's biggest insurer, QBE, are up more than 2.25% to $17.44. And on the currency front, the Australian dollar was flat in overnight trade, but is a little bit weaker this morning. It's currently buying 91.47 US cents. This is Toby Grimm for Young Stockbrokers.